All the people at this party have a lot of style. They've got stamps of many countries. They've got passport smells. Some are friendly, some are cutting, some are watching it from the wings, some are standing in the center, giving together.